So guys, welcome to H-QTV. So in this video I'm just going to show you how to get your Opay business account. So Opay business account is different from your normal Opay account number. The normal one starts with your phone number, and the Opay business account started with a different number that's different from your phone number. So if you give someone your Opay business account, that person can't even make a call with that account number, but your normal Opay account number, a person can make a call through that account number. So how do you get yours? You don't have to even download or install Opay business app. Just on the normal Opay app. So go to your main icon. So once you click on the main icon, click on transfer to me. So once you click on that, you are going to see your account number. So you can just generate it here. So this is just it. So you are going to see my name under is Samuel Ayomide Awuyemi, and the account number, that is 61 10 1945 and 16. So that's how you are going to generate account number. And a lot of times a lot of people ask me if my Opay account is correct, because all the Opay accounts that a lot of people have been seeing started with a phone number, and my own is different. So a lot of people have even asked me that, and I will even tell them that don't worry, that is my normal Opay account number, just a little different from the one that is going to generate from our own phone number. So once you use this the business account number for Opay, you can receive and you can use the same account to send. So you can receive money through business transfer account on Opay. You can receive money through that, and also you can do a lot of things with that account number. And it's not even just that you are going to use for a main time, it's for everlasting. Is for a very long time. It doesn't expire at all. It doesn't expire. You're just going to use this for a very long time, and it doesn't compromise. So that's how you are going to get Opay business account. And under your home screen on the Opay app, so under your available balance, you are going to see business transfer accounts, and you are going to see 61 then you are going to see my business transfer account. So that's what I'm talking about, and you are going to see something like this. And under here you are going to see the transactions that enter, or the credit alert that enter through that account number, through that Opay business transfer account. So you are going to see the transactions that you receive through that account. So this is how you are going to receive your, or this is how you are going to get your Opay transfer account. And a lot of people, you don't even know. So if you are a person that maybe you are doing a lot of business, or you have big complaint, you don't have to use your phone number as your Opay account number or account details. Just use this one. I even prefer this one than the calling one. So this is how you are going to get it. So this is how you are going to get it. And if you find this video interesting, I just want you to make a thumbs up, like this video, share it to other people to be able to, for a lot of people to be able to feel it, and make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Thanks.